Guys, you know why my students are selling so good and why we have so great success in dropshipping? Because I teach them how to sell with the pictures. We use pictures to sell with the pictures, okay? Did you know that? How to do this? Watch the video. This is very interesting. Now about the pictures. I wish somebody would told me this 4 years ago when I was starting. No single soul was teaching me how to sell with the pictures. And this is actually one of the ways how we separate ourselves from the majority. Guys, this is very, very important. Please listen to this. Okay, so you are selling with the pictures. So first of all, you see this is the picture here. All right, this is the seller's picture which he used to use. All right, and I don't know what keywords and how he constructed, how he made this picture and connections and all this coding, I call it. Yeah, this is not really coding, but this is just just put the word in there. So all right, so basically the idea is simple. This is sellers, this is mine here. Okay, and the reason why I got so many views here and the reason why I got so many sales here, this is guys, this is only one product. Okay, first of all, this is only one product. All right, so and here's the thing. So this is our title. Okay, this is pictures, this is keywords. They have to be connected together. If they are connected together properly, the sales will gonna run into your account one after another. Okay, so what do I mean by picture coding? Those keywords, like this keyword, the socket for level scissoring, must be connected to the main picture. Okay, the pictures by themselves must be different. This guy used the same pictures from the Amazon, which is not good, because this is the way how it not works, how the sales it's just what everybody else is doing. Okay, so you see my picture is totally different and all my pictures for this product is totally different. They all connected together with the keywords. Okay, all those keywords are connected in my title here. So title connected with keywords, title connected with pictures, keywords connected with pictures, keywords connected with titles. So which means if somebody is clicking or typing, let's say I need a every leveling jack socket, okay, in a Google search, they will come up on my picture. My picture will gonna come up on Google search, okay, or because my keywords are in a picture, in a keywords, in the title, and in the description, and also in the item specific. So this is the way how it works. So powerful. You have to know how to do this, and I just explain you. Basically here you can do this by yourself. It's nothing difficult. It's easy. It's easy, guys. That's what I said at the beginning. This is easy. It's just you have to know the simple way how to do this in a proper way. What's the first, what's the second, what's the third? All right, so next video I'm gonna show you how we use item specifics. That's very important as well. See you in the next video.